Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. Journey continues. We're on the Blue Ridge Parkway, heading up towards Asheville. Look at these tunnels. They are just all over the place. It's just amazing how they just cut right through these mountains building this road. This section of road, we're going up, clear up to Asheville, and then from there, depends on fuel. Hopefully I get enough fuel, we'll continue it on. Be nice to make it clear up to the Virginia border. So we'll see how it goes. Kind of a slow ride, beautiful road, 45 mile an hour, top speed. Here's another tunnel. They're not very long, they're neat. This is how they built this parkway, just incredible. There's a little pull out right here. Let's stop, check it out. Look at that view. The sky's getting nice and blue and clear. Quite a story here about settlers. Huh. You almost need to travel with a historian on this road. Yep. Beautiful. You guys dig it? Van's doing good. Let me show you how I'm filming a lot of the road footage. That's a GoPro Hero 9. It's got a wind sleeve around it. Try to knock down some of the wind noise. So a lot of the footage you're seeing is right off that camera right there. Well, let's continue on. We're still climbing. I think this thing tops out over 6,000 feet somewhere up here. Mile after mile, you wind through like these little forests, and then all of a sudden here's a big old view that just pops up. Pretty decent road. I mean, this thing takes a lot of abuse. I think they close it down in the winter. Okay, here's... Oh, this is one of the exits you can take. You can access main highways off the parkway. That's how you get supplies. There is no services whatsoever along the parkway. No gas stations or restaurants or anything. I think up farther we should run into it. There should be a rest area, like a visitor center rest area, but that's it. Parkway does not have any businesses on it. But we're going to keep on trucking. We're good. Wow, check it out. I see little cabins or houses down there. The parkway, the property for it isn't very wide. If you look at it on a map, some of the areas are national forest, some is just private land. Look how far you can see. Just forever. And this one's called Thunderstruck Ridge, 4780 elevation. We're still climbing. Look at the shadow you can see of the clouds on the landscape. That's kind of cool. Right there, big old shadow. That's off a cloud. Neat. Yeah, the days really turn out to be pretty. Then way out there, there's the casinos, a Cherokee. Look at that. That's how big them things are. This one's called Woollybeck. 5425. We are getting way up here in the air. I can really hear water running. We gotta go find it. Sounds like a little waterfall. Look at the colors of the rock. They just cut right through this rock when they put in this road. Look, same thing here. Shrubs and trees growing right out of the rock. Let's go find that. Here, over here. Check it out. Right across the road here. I hear it. Pretty cool. I need to take a break. Stretch the legs. There is just, you can just stop every few miles. It's just endless where you can stop here. Miles wise, it's not that far up to Asheville, North Carolina, but with all the stops, this takes a while. Now we're climbing. Seems like the higher we get, the clearer the sky. It was a little kind of like hazy, but now you can see farther when you stop at the overlooks. How'd you like the job of mowing? They mow the sides of the roads here. Look how well this manicured. How'd you like that job? Be endless. I think we're getting up close to the rest area up here. We'll stop, check it out. Ooh, road divides here. Haven't seen. Oh, yep. This is the rest area. Looks like we need to make a left. Hopefully it's open. I bet there's a good view up here. It's called Water Rock Knob Visitor Center. Looks pretty empty. We'll find a place to park. Looks open to me. Looks like a little gift shop. I bet they got maps and stuff. National Park Service, man, they've really done a good job on this one. Well, shirts, hats, all kinds of goodies. Big old map of the area. Look how they got all the peaks named. Mountain peaks. Pretty good maps. Nice view out the window. Well, I bet they get snow here, huh? Oof. Mr. Bear, I bet they're all over. Gotta watch out for those guys. Nice little visitor center. Cool. I see a storyboard over here. We'll check that. Oh, same one that was in the shop. Look how they name all the peaks. They got names for each and every one of them. Huh. That's something. Let's go to the other side. You can actually see off both sides up here. Well, they got a trailhead here. Half mile. Yep, not today. Look how the trees have thinned out on this side. Each slope has a different layout of trees. The way we switch back and forth along this road, you're one minute you're going north and south, I mean, all over. Look how they got all these peaks named here too. What a nice stop. If you ever come up this way, make sure you stop this rest area right here. Well, I'm wondering, I don't think this is the highest peak yet. I think there's one overlook that has, that's the highest. What a view as you drive along. There is so much scenery. You could make movies out of this thing. My goodness. They probably have. Built in the 30s. Cut through mountains, either by bridge or tunnel. Another tunnel. Just the stonework alone on these things. That's a labor of love doing stuff like that. That's old. Even the drainage ditches here are lined with old stone. You don't see concrete. Look at that view. We're among the clouds now. We're way up here. Here it is. Here's the highest peak. This is it. We made it. The highest point on the parkway, Richland Overlook, 6,000 feet plus. Here's a sign. It's official. We made it. Another overlook about a half mile from that Richland one. Haywood Jackson Overlook, 6020. Now we're starting to descend down. Another tunnel. This is a longer one. Oh, there went a little motorhome. Haven't seen very many. A lot of vans, cars. A couple people pulling small pull trailers. There's some kind of a big rock mountain out there. We gotta find another overlook here. Here's one. Usually if you see a really good view, there's an overlook for it. Yeah, there's a lot of people at this one. Looking Glass Rock. There it is. Look how it just stands out among the sea of trees. Look at all those trees. Absolutely endless. What a priceless place. Look at that mountain sticking out there. Cool. Well, how fun, huh? There's our exit for Asheville. We're gonna take it. I'm gonna stop here, spend the night, see if I can't get any fuel. Unreal. Fuel shortage when I'm down this area. But what an epic trip across that section of the parkway. My goodness. That was just beautiful. Very good. Alright, I gotta go find a place to spend the night. Hopefully get some diesel. Journey continues. Talk soon.